Hi, this is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow people add notes to your Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Note is a feature on Instagram that allows users to share short text updates with their follower or close friends. Now, this Note feature of Instagram can become more advanced. You can now leave note on someone's Instagram post on or Instagram reel. And in this video, I will show you how to allow people add their notes to your Instagram post like this. If you see someone post, you can add a note on the post. And what if you want to allow people? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down on how other can interact with this section. There is an option sharing. You can just tap on that. And you'll see there is an option on allow people to add notes to your content. There is toggle. You can just tap on the toggle like this. So people can add notes to your post and reel. You may not see some note based on the audience. So anyone on Instagram can add notes to your Instagram post. It's a simple, right? So that is how to allow people add notes to your Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!